Now's the time for me to select the winners for this first 2019 art products giveaway. This time we are doing for the Paul Rubens cold press watercolor paper. The purpose and the reason that I'm doing this product giveaway is to share with you the product that I have been using in the past and I like them. If you are the winner, that will be great. Congratulations. And if you are not, I hope you will continue to support me making more creative full videos for you and for everyone else. All professional papers are different. You just have to see which paper that bring out the best of your expression. Okay, let's start picking the winners. From the comments under this video, we're gonna sort all the comments, which one is the newest, which one is the earliest. And now we look down all the way to the bottom. This is the earliest. And then I'm gonna from there on and coming up, we're gonna pick the earliest 20 people. We may do more product giveaway for different products. So if you want to be the first to know the videos published, you should turn on notifications after subscription. Also, the full version of videos on YouTube, they are not going to stay forever on YouTube. It maybe stay 1 month or 2 months. They maybe would disappear. Only for the member would be able to access to all the materials inside Enjoying Art. If you're not a member, it's a great idea to turn on the notifications. When my new video publish, you'll be notified to come to YouTube to watch as many times as you want while you still can. I already print the names for the 20 people. Now I'm going to put all the names into this can. I'm just going to show you the name. Okay, now we're going to shade it. And I'm going to pick 2 paper. And try to pick 2 random. So this 2 will be the winner for the product giveaway. Through Instagram, I will notify you and getting your shipping and phone number, and then I will forward your information to Lightwish, and they will ship their product directly to your home. For everyone, thank you for being part of this, and thank you for your continuing support. I'll see you in my next lesson.